Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. It's in our phones, making them smarter and more intuitive. It's in our homes, creating environments that adapt to our needs. AI is even helping doctors treat patients with greater precision and efficiency. This technology is powerful, revolutionizing healthcare. It is exciting and full of potential. One of the most fascinating applications of AI is in the realm of creativity. It's opening doors to new artistic possibilities. AI tools are emerging to assist artists, musicians, and writers in their creative processes, offering new ways to explore their craft. These tools are not replacing human creativity. Instead, they are enhancing it, providing new avenues for expression. Imagine a world where you have a writing partner available 24/7, always ready to help you. A partner who can help you brainstorm ideas, overcome writer's block, and improve your writing skills with insightful suggestions. This is the promise of AI-powered writing tools, transforming the way we create content. These tools are ushering in a new era of creativity, where innovation knows no bounds. An era where technology and human ingenuity combine to unlock new levels of expression, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve together. ChatGPT Canvas is an innovative AI-powered writing tool designed to revolutionize the way you write. It's designed to make writing easier, more efficient, and even enjoyable. Think of it as your personal writing assistant, always ready to lend a helping hand. It is always ready to help, no matter the time or place. Powered by the advanced ChatGPT language model, Canvas understands your prompts and generates high-quality text tailored to your needs. It can even adapt its writing style to suit your specific requirements, making it versatile for any writing task. Whether you're a student working on an essay, needing clarity and coherence, or a professional crafting a detailed report, ChatGPT Canvas can help streamline your process. It can assist with various writing tasks, from creative writing to technical documentation. This tool is not about replacing human writers. It's about empowering them to achieve more. It gives them the tools to write better and faster, enhancing their creativity and productivity. The beauty of ChatGPT Canvas lies in its versatility. It can handle a wide range of writing tasks. This makes it an invaluable tool for anyone who writes. Students can use ChatGPT Canvas to generate ideas for essays. They can get help with research. They can even use it to improve the clarity and structure of their writing. Professionals can benefit from ChatGPT Canvas's ability to create reports, emails, and presentations. It can even help with creative writing projects like stories and poems. The possibilities are endless. ChatGPT Canvas is a versatile tool. It can adapt to any writing challenge. ChatGPT Canvas for everyone: students, professionals, and beyond. This tool is designed to be versatile and accessible. ChatGPT Canvas is not a tool limited to a specific group of users. It is meant to be a universal aid for anyone looking to enhance their writing skills. It's designed for anyone who wants to improve their writing, whether for academic, professional, or personal purposes. It caters to diverse needs, making it a valuable resource for a wide range of users. Students of all levels can benefit from using ChatGPT Canvas. From high school to university, it can assist in various academic tasks. It can help them with their assignments, essays, and even research papers. It can make the writing process less daunting, providing guidance and support. Professionals in various fields can use ChatGPT Canvas to enhance their productivity. It can assist in drafting reports, emails, and presentations. It can streamline their writing tasks, making them more efficient and effective. It can free up their time for other important matters, allowing them to focus on strategic tasks. Even hobbyist writers and bloggers can find value in ChatGPT Canvas. It can spark creativity and provide new ideas. It can help them overcome writer's block, turning frustration into inspiration. It can elevate the quality of their work, making their writing more polished and professional. The benefits of embracing AI in writing. The use of AI in writing is not about replacing human creativity. It's about enhancing it. It's about providing writers with the tools to excel. ChatGPT Canvas offers numerous benefits for writers. It can help overcome writer's block. It provides new ideas and perspectives. This tool can also improve the clarity and conciseness of your writing. It can help you better convey your message to your audience. Ultimately, ChatGPT Canvas empowers writers. It allows them to focus on what matters most, expressing their thoughts and ideas in a compelling and impactful way. Ready to explore? Dive into the world of ChatGPT Canvas. The world of writing is evolving. AI tools like ChatGPT Canvas are leading the way. These tools offer exciting possibilities for writers of all levels. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who enjoys expressing themselves through writing, ChatGPT Canvas has something to offer you. It's time to embrace the future of writing. Explore the potential of ChatGPT Canvas. Unlock your writing potential. Experience the power of AI as your writing companion.